Next box break tonight is 2013 Panini America's Pastime Baseball. This is box break number 9. Wow. Andrew C. Astros, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, Padres, and Blue Jays. Angelo M. with the Diamondbacks, Phillies. Benny G. Giants, Nationals. Chad B. I. Tigers and A's. James C. with the Mets, Pirates. Octavio D. Orioles, Indians, Cardinals, and Rays. Robert G. has Red Sox, Rockies, Angels, and Twins. Serenity has the Braves, White Sox, Royals, and Rangers. Tommy W. Yankees, Mariners, and Trey G. Cubs, Reds. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. America's Pastime. Somebody's getting a booklet. Somebody's getting a booklet. It didn't update? What do you mean? Stayed on the last product? That's weird. Yeah, I mean, it runs, I think it's Flash, so sometimes if you don't have your Flash updated or certain things happen, it messes up. But all right. Roberto Alomar to 125 for Toronto. Paul O'Neill to 25 for the Yankees. Craig Biggio, 24 of 25, standing O insert for the Astros. Remember, USA stuff goes to Cleveland if we get any. Taylor Jordan for Washington, rookie, 8 of 125. We've got a Didi Gregorius Future Fabrics rookie, 45 of 125 for the Diamondbacks for Angelo. And there's a USA Riley Farrell jersey relic going to the Cleveland Indians. Octavio D. Cleveland gets the USA stuff in the box breaks. We got a Dustin Pedroia, 43 of 75 silhouettes for the Boston Red Sox. Robert G. And first autograph, Lance Lynn for the Cardinals, 86 of 125. Octavio. Oh, redemption time. National Treasures, maybe? Nope. Pastime signatures. Matt Harvey. New York Mets, James C. Matt Harvey autograph. Add that to the collection, James. And David Freese for the Cardinals, numbered 3 of 10, America's Best, red parallel. Octavio's racking up the hits. And the last hit is the booklet. The booklet. And it's Stash Van Smash. Scott Van Slyke for the Dodgers, triple jersey relic auto booklet. 60 of 99 for the Dodgers. So there is your box break number 9 of 2013 America's Pastime. I wonder if Van Slyke will get any playing time this year. He actually